This video is brought to you by SimpliSafe. The single most important thing when building a camper van is order of operations. If you build all your furniture and then go to do your electrical system, you're gonna have a hard time. Put carpet down on the entire interior and then go to build your furniture on top of that, you're gonna have a hard time. I learned all of that the hard way when I did the first build out of the bus. I even made some mistakes during the second build out of the bus. The order of operations I like to do, something like this. Rip everything out, put in your new floor, do the framing for all the furniture, then do the electrical system, the plumbing, all of that, then finish the furniture, and then finish the flooring. So with that being said, we have a blank slate, we have a floor. Today, we're doing the framing for the furniture. I have 100 feet worth of 2x4, some newly purchased goodies from Harbor Freight, jigsaw, orbital sander, 4 different lengths of screws, all Torx head, some L brackets, angle things, bit set, drill set, markers, more clamps, and some new tools I think will be useful, and most importantly, my brain. These are the beautiful schematics I'm gonna be following. Without any further ado, let's get started. half wall, guys. Gonna screw it down, support it to the walls, and it's gonna be in. I mean, already, just with the way I cut it, it's pretty solid, which is funny. Can't wait to cook a Gingium special here. Jalapeno dogs, peppers and onions. Let's talk about this video sponsor, SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe is an easy-to-use, totally customizable home security system that has the most up-to-date tech and has a reliable, relationship-focused service team. You no longer have to deal with a lengthy ordering and setup process. SimpliSafe enables you to easily design a system that fits your home. They've got sensors to cover every window, room, door, plus a bunch of awesome extras like water sensors, smoke detectors, HD cameras, doorbell cameras. With SimpliSafe, your home is professionally monitored 24/7, and if anything happens, SimpliSafe's always-on team will call the authorities immediately. Setting up SimpliSafe was super easy and actually really fun. My favorite SimpliSafe device is their outdoor camera. It's got a nice view of my front door, all my cars, and my front yard. It automatically turns on and starts recording when it senses motion, and you can live stream its footage at any time from your phone. With the SimpliSafe app, it's easy to check in on your home while you're away, and overall, I feel like myself and all my stuff is much safer with SimpliSafe. Now, if you're interested, you can visit simplisafe.com/Gingium to learn more and to get at least 30% off your SimpliSafe security system. So we've made a decent amount of progress. Our kitchen cabinet is starting to take shape, and our little half wall is starting to take shape. You know, there's gonna be a nice countertop that goes around here. Then we're gonna have a kitchen that kind of slides out. This is half of the bed. The other half is gonna come off of this board right here, be at the same height, and underneath it will be open. So what we have to do now is we have to make a wall right here, which will close out the cabinet, the electrical system, all that kind of stuff, and then do the bed supports. And then we're also gonna make some supports that connect these two things and kind of just strengthen it up. Well, I pretty much finished everything I wanted to, and then it started raining, so it was good timing. We got our bed framed out, you know, we got the half. Okay, I need to put stuff away. Never mind. Oh gosh. Well, it's still pretty rainy, and it's also pretty loud. So I'm not gonna be doing too much filming today, but I do wanna finish up one thing before ending this video. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the floor out right here to reveal the actual step, because I like the step. I want there to be a step. I don't wanna have to, it's a long reach right there. With a little bit more trimming and cutting off all the plastic tabs on the back of this, I got the stock little step to fit. I like this because I think it does a good job at integrating the camper part with the van part. It's also got this nice light which lights up when the doors open. But yeah, that will be nice. Well, that about sums it up for this video. All of the framing is done. We've got our bed frame, our half wall frame, and our kitchen counter frame. Everything is super sturdy, and yeah, we're ready to move on to the next step. That next step is going to be mounting the water tank and the battery, and then doing the electrical system and the plumbing system. So far, I'm really enjoying this project, and I'm really excited. It's not fabricating, but I'm enjoying it way more than just bolting stuff onto the Eclipse. I don't think I necessarily missed fabricating itself. I think I missed the process of coming up with an idea, planning it out, getting the materials, and then actually executing it. And this allows me to do that. And I gotta say, I really needed it. I'm having a great time, and I'm really excited to keep making progress. And I think it's gonna go pretty quickly, which is even more exciting. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. We do have some parts coming for the Eclipse, so we'll take a break on this and work back at that at some point. Huge thank you to Simply Safe for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and goodbye.